Hi, welcome back to my channel. 88 years ago, man from China found a strange-looking skull in the Black Dragon River province of northeastern China. He decided to hide it from the world. After 85 years, while he was in the deathbed, he confessed about the skull to his family. They recovered it and donated to the museum in 2018. Till then, scientists are trying to figure out the history of that fossil. Researchers believe that this fossil will bring a revolutionary idea for evolution of human being. Uranium series dating, which involves using the known rate of decay of radioactive uranium atoms in a sample to work out its age, showed that the fossil itself is at least 146,000 years old. This 3D scan shows a huge head with a brain that was about the same size as ours. Other features like eyes, nose, and brow rigid says that it is more primitive. This what the researchers think he would look like. A stocky human. Innovation suggests this is our closest relative in the human family tree. This could replace our closest ancestor people called Homo neanderthalensis. It predicts that the common ancestor of Homo longi and Homo sapiens lived approximately 950,000 years ago. It suggests that both species shared a common ancestor with Neanderthals. Human family tree goes from 7 million years ago, then comes Homo erectus, which is 2 million years ago. And our closest cousin Neanderthals. They existed 400,000 years ago. But now Dragon Man is the more closest relative of modern human.